Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rezky Sinaga. My name is 19241428 and I am from BSI Based. And now I will explain the topic about computer and software and operating system. So let's start. So let's discuss about computer. First of all, we have to know what computer is. So a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send emails, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. Main components of a computer. There are three components of a computer. The first one is hardware. Hardware is the physical parts you can touch, okay? For example, like CPU, RAM, hard drive, monitor, keyboard. And the second one is software. Software is the program and system that tell the hardware what to do. For example, like Windows, Mac OS, Microsoft Word, Excel, Google Chrome, and the other one. And the third is brainware. Brainware is people who operate and control the computer. For example, like user, programmer, system administrator, and the other one. What are the types of computers? There are four types of computers. The first is laptop computers. A laptop is a computer with a power source in the form of a battery, where a laptop is more portable than a desktop, which makes it easier for you to use it anywhere. I think almost everyone has it, right? The second is tablet computer. Tablet computer, or more commonly known as the tablets, are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops. The third is desktop computer. Many people use desktop computer in their office, homes, and school. Desktop computers are designed to be placed on a desk. Typically, a desktop computer consists of several components, including a computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. And the last, we have server computer. A server is a computer that processes requests for information from other computers connected with on a computer network. We have come to the last part, conclusion. A computer is an important electronic device in daily life, of course. It has three main components. There are hardware, software, and brainware. Okay, all components work together to process data and complete tasks. We should use computer wisely and safely. I think I think for this topic is enough. Let's move on to the another topic. Thank you. Let's continue the topic. And now I'm going to explain about software and operating system. First of all, we have to know what an operating system is. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and process, as well as all of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer language. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. The operating system job. So what is the function of an operating system? Your computer is operating system manage all of the software and hardware on the computer. Most of the time, there are several different computer programs running at the same time, and they all need to access your computer's central processing unit or CPU. memory, and storage. The operating system coordinates all of this to make sure its program gets what it needs. Example operating system. There are three examples of operating system. The first is Windows, which includes Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, and the other one. The second is Linux, which includes Red Hat, Ubuntu, GNOME, Kali, and the other one. And the last, we have Mac OS, which includes Mac OS Classic, Mac OS X. Desktop application. Desktop application consists of three parts. The first is word processor. Word processor is a word processor allows you to write a letter, design a flyer, and create many other types of document. For example, like Microsoft Word, Windows Office, Writer, and the other one. The second is web browser. Web browser is the tool you to use to access the internet. For example, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer. The third is media players. Media players, if you want to listen to MP3 or watch a movie you have downloaded, you will need to use a media player. For example, like Windows Media Player and iTunes are popular media players. Conclusion, and we have three conclusions here. The first is software is an essential part of every computer. Yeah, surely. The second is the operating system manages the entire system, while application help with specific jobs. And the last, we have without software, computer will be useless. Yeah, of course, sure. Without software, computer is nothing. Okay, I think that's enough for this topic. Thank you and goodbye.